you're going to live between two things, sadness and fear. And that's depression. Why is depression on the rise? That takes them into living in fear, no hope, afraid, and sad. And that sadness is when a mu'min, when something good happens to them, shakar, they're thankful. إصابته ضراء صبر. If a trauma takes place, they don't live centering that trauma and centering themselves around that trauma, but they go beyond it, sabr, because they know that that trauma is just a moment, a trial, time to move on, and there is something beyond that trauma, and that is al-akhirah. That is Jannah. A person that was putting the perspective of who they are in terms of the purpose of life, where they are in this world, and how they actually fit in this whole dynamics of time and place, and how they put that and their own selves in the perspective to go beyond those fears and to know that it's not the end